Hello and welcome to this video on why it's so hard to run a data center. In today's digital world, data centers like this one play a crucial role in storing, processing, and delivering the vast amount of data that powers our online experiences. From powering the websites we visit to hosting the applications we use every day, data centers are the backbone of the internet. But as you might have guessed, running a data center is not an easy task. In this video, we'll explore some of the challenges and complexities involved in operating a data center and why it's such a difficult undertaking. We'll also discuss some of the ways that data center operators try to overcome these challenges. One of the biggest challenges of running a data center is the sheer complexity of the systems involved. A data center is made up of a variety of components, including servers, networking equipment, storage systems, power and cooling systems, and security measures, just to name a few. Each of these components must be carefully configured and maintained to ensure optimal performance and reliability. This requires a high level of technical expertise and a thorough understanding of how all the pieces fit together. To combat the complexity of data centers, operators often rely on automated systems and processes to help manage and monitor the various components. They may also use specialized software tools and dashboards to help visualize and track the performance of the data center in real time. In addition to the complexity of data centers, there is also the issue of cost. Setting up a data center is a significant investment, with the initial infrastructure costs alone running into the millions of dollars. And once a data center is up and running, there are ongoing costs for maintenance, repairs, and energy consumption. Data centers are energy-intensive operations, and the cost of powering and cooling all of the equipment can be significant. To combat these costs, data center operators may invest in energy-efficient equipment and technologies, such as server virtualization, which allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical server, reducing the overall energy consumption. They may also invest in renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power, to offset the cost of traditional energy sources. Additionally, data centers must be built to withstand natural disasters and other threats, which adds to the overall cost. To address this, data center operators may implement redundant systems and backup generators to ensure that the data center can continue to operate in the event of a disaster or outage. Another challenge of running a data center is the need for scalability. Data centers must be able to scale up or down as needed to meet the changing demands of their customers. This can be a tricky proposition, as forecasting and preparing for future demand is not an exact science. If a data center is not sized correctly, it can lead to either wasted resources or a lack of capacity, which can be costly and inefficient. To address this, data center operators may use tools and techniques to better predict and prepare for future demand, such as analyzing historical data and using machine learning algorithms to forecast future trends. They may also invest in modular infrastructure, which allows them to add or remove components as needed, rather than building out a fixed infrastructure that may not be flexible enough to meet future demands. Finally, there's the issue of security. Data centers handle a lot of sensitive data, and they must be secure to protect that data and maintain the trust of their customers. This requires a variety of security measures, including physical security to protect against unauthorized access, network security to protect against cyber threats, and data protection to ensure that data is kept safe and secure. Maintaining security is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and investment. To combat the various security threats that data centers face, operators may use a combination of measures, such as implementing security protocols, training employees on security best practices, and using advanced security technologies such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. They may also conduct regular security audits and assessments to identify and address any vulnerabilities or weaknesses in the data center's security posture. As you can see, running a data center is a complex and costly undertaking that requires careful planning and management. From the complexity of the systems involved to the high costs and the need for scalability and security, there are many challenges to overcome. But despite these challenges, data centers play a vital role in our digital world, and their importance will only continue to grow in the years ahead. To meet these challenges, data center operators must use a combination of expertise, technology, and best practices to ensure that their data centers are running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this topic, be sure to check out some of the resources linked below. Thank you for watching our video on the challenges of running a data center. We hope you now have a better understanding of the complexity and cost involved in operating a data center, as well as some of the ways that data center operators try to overcome these challenges. If you found this video informative and interesting, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on technology and the digital world. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.